Welcome back to the project. Viewers, if someone has edited a product and they have updated the cart and added quantity, etc, and everything, so at this point they can click checkout. So if they click checkout, there will we have given a link to the checkout button over here. You can see that is checkout.php. We don't have that page right now, but we need to create that page. So when someone will click, so we will be there. So here I have the cart.php page. I will close this because we don't need it anymore, and we will open that page index.php, which we have inside the e-commerce main folder. Here is it. I will open it and we will create a copy of it. So just go to file and we'll save as, click save as, and after that we will make a copy of this page to checkout.php. So we'll create checkout.php page, click save. Now this has become checkout.php. So we need to make some changes into this page in order to make it another page. We'll simply remove these functions from the product box section, which we added into the index page, but we don't need them here, and I will save it. But we have created this page now. I have saved it, and if we go over here and click this checkout, so we'll be taken to another page. You can observe over here e-commerce /checkout.php, but here we don't have anything. So first of all, if we want to add something to this page, we can give a kind of condition or an if statement. If the person is already logged into our website, so we can directly take that person to the payment page so they can pay. And if the person is not logged in, so we can simply ask them to log in or register. So we need to display a login form here and also a link to registration, to registration page. So for that thing we need a table for customers. So if someone wants to register their account, so that information of the customers we can save inside a table. So we have this e-commerce database over here, and we have 4 tables so far: brands, cart, categories, and products. Now we need to create another table which name is customers, and there we will have some number of columns, which might be something like we'll add 10 at the moment. 10 columns. We can change it later anytime we want. So I will just click go, and the first name will be customer underscore ID. There are the field name, basically the columns name. The second one will be customer underscore IP. We'll also detect the IP and we'll save that with the specific customer, so we can later on use that in a different scenarios. So customer ID, customer IP, customer underscore name, customer underscore email, customer underscore pass mean password, and customer underscore country, customer underscore city, and customer underscore number contact, and customer photo, customer image. That's it. I think one is basically this one. We don't need this last one, so we'll leave that, and this will be integer, the first one, and auto increment, and also a primary key we will assign to it. And after that this one will be basically varchar, and value for above one will be 10, and for this will be 250 55. Customer name will be simple text and up to 100 digits, 3 digits, and the email will be varchar2 3 digits, and password will be simply varchar 100. Country will be text 100. City will also be text. Type will be text and 100. And contact number will be basically varchar and 250. And image will be simply text up to up to 3 digits. That's it. Now we simply will click save. So this is created. You can see customers. This is the structure of the table. Now we can use this table to insert the information of the users. So now I have come back to the page checkout.php, and we will simply use PHP block. We'll simply say if is not set. If is not set, $_session. We will make customer email as session. We will register this as session. If is not set session, then what to do? Simply say, we are simply saying that if is not set session customer email, that's mean if the customer email is not already registered, as a session, and it is not already logged in. So what to do? We will simply include a page. At this point we simply include a page. This is the include is basically the PHP command which through which we can include any file or any folder or anything, any page. So inside double quotes we will say include a page which is basically login customer_login.php. In else statement we will simply say, in else we will say if the person session, if is not session customer, that means the customer is not logged in. In else situation he must be logged in, and he will be logged in because this is else condition. At that time we will include basically the payment option page, payment page. Then the double brackets we will say include payment_payment.php. okay, very simple. This page we have not created these two pages, customer_login.php and payment_payment.php. These two pages we need to create, but first of all we will save it. So we have saved it. Now the first thing is this one, this page will come, so we need to create this page by using simply Ctrl N from our keyboard. So we have created new page, and inside this page we will simply add a div tag and close it. We don't need to put anything to in HTML structure or things like that. Very simply we need to add a form, which method will be post. Action will be something like action will be action is nothing, okay, and that's fine. Just close the form tag, and inside the form tag we will insert a table just for simplicity. Its width will be 500 pixel and align will be center, and basic color will be equal to sky blue. That's it. Table close here. Inside the table we need to just insert one tr, and inside the first tr we need to insert some h2 tag in which we will write login to login or register, to purchase, to buy. That's it. H2 close and then TD close. We will save this page by using Control S, sorry. We will save this the name customer underscore login .php. Save. Now we can make this tr align center, and this td is okay. Control S to save. Now come here and refresh the same page, and you see this is here, login or register. We can remove this from the this product box from here. Product box div we take from the checkout page, so it can be more specific. Okay, I have undo that option because it is good, fine. Okay, login or register. Now after this we need to add one more tr, and inside that tr we will add a td. Inside the first td we will say email. In the second td we will add an input tag which type will be text, name will be email, and placeholder will be is equal to enter email. That's it. TD close, and in one more tr we will need to insert. Inside this td we'll first say password. Set. Inside the another td we'll insert input tag again, and this input will be type password. So it is password because that should not be displayed publicly. Name will be pass, and placeholder will be, there is no need, placeholder will be something like enter password. So TD close, and one last TR will be of for submit button. Inside the TD will add an input tag. Type of this will be is equal to submit, and name of this will be is equal to login, and value, which is a text appearing over the button, will be something like login. That's it. TD close. Control S to save, and just come here and refresh the page. You see this, enter email, enter password, and these things are coming here. We need to just simply say into this one that call span, we need to merge the extra TDs. We'll just add 4 call spans there, and we will add B tag over here to make it bolder, and to this also, this simple text, and we will use align right in this TD, only the text one which has the text, simple text, align is equal to right. That's it. And for this submit button we will use attribute align is equal to center, so it will be centered align, and also we can add some call span, so the rest of the TDs will be merged. I have added 4 call span, so that's now done. Now come here, I have saved by using Control N. Now refresh the page, you can see login or register, and after entering password and username, email and password, the person can log in. We can also add some kind of we can add something for forgot password option over here. Just after here, not here but before this, here tr, one more tr, td, and we will say ahraf is equal to checkout.php, and we will create a get variable, change, forgot underscore pass. That's it, and we will say forgot password. This is the text for this link. That's it. $s to save. This will be centered align as well. Align is equal to center. $s to save, and now come here, refresh the page, and you see forgot password link is there, but we need to also add some call span to it. Calls span 3, column span, merging columns. So it is here now, you can see. We can change that to 3 and this also to 3. Refresh it. Now it's okay. So we have this. Just one more thing we can do is adding one simple link over here for registering if the person wants to register. So very simply we will, after the table, we will add a link h2, ahref, first h2 tag. Inside h2 we will use some style, and we'll say float right. That's it, and here we will add the link to customer underscore register dot php, which will be one more page. We will say new register here. That's it. $s to save. Now come here, refresh the page, and you can see this is here, but it is outside the page, so we can make it float left, Control S, press it, it is here. Can add some padding as well, padding 5 pixel. Control S to save, and now refresh. So someone has a password in email, so they can log in to buy this product which is there and the shopping cart bar. And if someone does not have the password, or someone does not have the account with us, so they can just click the register, new register here, so simply they can register with us. I will use one more CSS property, text decoration, which will be none. I will keep it to none. I have saved it. Oh sorry, this I need to add this link. Basically style is equal to text decoration none. That's it. Control S to save, come back, refresh the page, and you see there is no no underline, and we again plot it right. That would be good. Control S to save, and we can say padding 10. and Control S to save. And after that it has okay, we'll 15 add 15, or simply we will say padding right 20 pixel. CSS styles we are just using in line. So now it's okay, fine. Someone has account, they will add from here, and if they don't have account, so they can click new register here. So we will show them the another form to register, but first of all we have to work on this one. So if we want to, someone wants this thing, I mean in next video we will work first of all on this registration form. So the person can register, we will register one person, and after that they can log in using this form. So first of all we need to work out this. Stay tuned.